In Lebanon lies one of the greatest engineering mysteries in human history. Not the pyramids, not Stonehenge, but a forgotten Roman temple platform built with stones so massive that even modern construction equipment struggles to move them today. One block weighs over 1,000 tons. That's heavier than a Boeing 747 or 7 to 9 blue whales on top of each other. Heavier than entire modern houses. And somehow, ancient builders cut them, transported them, lifted them, and positioned them with shocking precision nearly 2,000 years ago. The question is, how? Quick cuts of giant stones, cranes, workers beside massive blocks. Today we investigate Baalbek, and what you are about to see should not be possible. Located in modern-day Lebanon, Baalbek contains some of the largest carved stones ever used in construction. The Romans built the massive Temple of Jupiter here around the 1st century BC. But underneath the temple platform are the real monsters, 3 gigantic stones known as the Trilithon. Each stone measures roughly 19 meters long, over 4 meters high, and around 3.5 meters deep. That's about the length of a city bus, carved from a single block of stone. Each weighs approximately 800 to 1,000 tons. To understand how insane that is, a fully loaded semi-truck weighs around 40 tons. That means a single Baalbek stone equals the weight of about 25 trucks. And these stones are not lying on the ground. They were lifted several meters into the air and perfectly aligned into the structure. No modern cranes, no hydraulic systems, no diesel engines, only ancient technology. Or at least that's what we are told. Less than a kilometer away from the temple lies the ancient quarry, and this is where the mystery becomes even stranger. Inside the quarry rests the stone of the pregnant woman, an unfinished megalith estimated at around 1,000 tons. Nearby, archaeologists discovered another block, even larger, possibly reaching 1,650 tons. That would make it one of the heaviest stones ever cut by humans. But here's the real question: how are these stones supposed to move? Even today, transporting something this heavy is an engineering nightmare. Modern heavy haul systems require specialized trailers, multiple synchronized hydraulic systems, reinforced roads, and extremely controlled conditions. Trailers, multiple synchronized hydraulic systems, reinforced roads, and extremely controlled conditions. Ancient builders had ropes, wood, and manpower, at least officially. What really happened at Baalbek? There are several theories. Some researchers believe the Romans simply possessed engineering skills far beyond what we imagine. Others argue that forgotten construction methods may have existed in the ancient world, techniques lost to history. And then, there are the more controversial theories. Did an older civilization build the foundations before the Romans arrived? Were advanced lifting systems used? Or is Baalbek evidence that ancient humanity was far more technologically capable than we assume? No one knows for certain, but one thing is undeniable: Baalbek challenges everything we think we know about ancient engineering. Maybe the answer was brilliant engineering, maybe it was lost technology, or maybe we have underestimated the ancient world for far too long, because in Baalbek, the stones are real, the weights are real, and the mystery is still unsolved. If you enjoyed this investigation into impossible ancient engineering, subscribe for more episodes of Lost Blueprint.